The Earth apprenticeship schemes are fantastic for you to build your skills, build your confidence up and get the taste of the real world in a job environment. My name's Thomas Bolton. I am a youth work apprentice with the Mervyn region in the Earth.
I had a lot of help from the school and obviously looking on social media, and I saw a lot of advertisements and seeing them appealed a lot to me.
The thing I like about this apprenticeship scheme is that every day is a different day. You will obviously do similar things from day to day, but you will never have the same kind of experiences.
One day I could be working on a dinner time club in a school, and then the next day I could be away in Disneyland Paris with a group of young people.
I'm sure a lot of jobs have their perks, but I'm not sure how many have the same perks as ours. We have a lot of trips and different experiences with the Earth. We've got obviously our main work from the camps, which are, we've got Llagrannog, Cardiff, Glanllyn.
Working through the medium of Welsh is very important to me. Gone through Welsh medium education. It's meant a lot for me and I feel more comfortable speaking in the Welsh language.
My skills in communication have definitely improved, as well as every other skill I've managed to build on them.
Within the first month of the apprenticeship, I was going around with different people, collecting different ideas on games or how to run a session. And then after that month where I felt comfortable, I wasn't just thrown in. They said, okay, you have the freedom now to run your own sessions and bring all your own ideas together. Well, it's given me the confidence to know that's what I want to do in the near future, is work with young people.
Jump straight into it. You'll love every second of working for the Earth.
Go for it.